Hello guys, welcome to Autolatest Cars. Today we are talking about the new MG HS Hybrid Plus, a car that actually it's sold for in the last almost 2 months on all European markets. It's a very important car for Morris Garage, for AMG, because this car it's manufactured in China by SAIC Automotive, one of the biggest automotive car manufacturers. It's a giant in China. First of all, when we are talking about this new HS, we have to talk about the fact that this is in China it's sold under the brand Rove. So Rove AX5, something like that. It's a premium brand. This is not the former HS version. This is the premium version called Rove on China market, and it's sold on European market as an MG car, which is quite good, because this new generation of HS 2025 is totally changed compared with the previous one. It's most composed, the running gear is better, and of course we are talking about a new hybrid system, which is very important, because definitely today we have to talk about this car as a direct competitor for Toyota and Stellantis and VW cars. First of all, as you probably know, SAIC Automotive actually builds VW cars and Skoda cars on China market. So this is an most elaborated VW Tiguan platform from the previous generation of VW platform, which is wider, longer, and more composed as a running gear when you're driving even on soft roads, soft off-road, but even on bumpy roads, which is important, because this car definitely should be good to take in mind when you're talking about buying a new SUV for 2025. Another cool thing about the new HS is the fact that it's the price range is around 30,000 euros on European market. Here you definitely could buy it below 30,000 euros with our VAT of 21%, which is a bargain, because definitely this car it's a best buy on this market. When we are looking at the level of equipment, and of course the hybrid system, the new hybrid engine, and of course everything it's almost standard on this version, and it's a very important thing. Okay, so MG sells this car with Bridgestone Alenza tires. This is 2025 by 55 by 19, which is the standard tire, which is the premium tire. Bridgestone, as you probably know, it's a Japanese, the biggest tire manufacturer in the world. It's not Michelin, it's Bridgestone, and the car it's called HS Hybrid Plus version. Definitely important, because it has a very new and interesting running gear, a car that actually it's a best buy. First of all, the chassis number it's called AS3A, as you probably don't know that, and the engine and the gearbox is the most important change on this Chinese car, because it's not an REV. This is not a REV engine, it's a plug-in, but it's an advanced. It's not also a plug-in, it's a full hybrid, but with a very decent performance, even comparable than of European plug-in hybrid versions. Okay, let's open the bonnet and talk about the engine and the gearbox. So we open the bonnet, and when you first open the bonnet, you definitely see the BMW style 2 clicks to open the bonnet, and struts, which is very very high tech on normal SUV cars in 2025. You have a liquid system that actually cools the engine, and of course that's for the battery. And the brake system, it's electronic, it's not classical. It's of course like an old Lexus and Toyota cars. The engine it's called 15 FK. It's a 1.5 liter petrol engine, 4-cylinder inline, 142 horsepower and 230 Newton meters, which is mated under this massive air filter. It's mated to a multimodal 2-engine gearbox that has the big electric engine that is effectively the power engine. It has 199 horsepower and 340 Newton meters, and of course in the same gearbox it's another electric engine that actually it's a generator and has 150 horsepower. So MG is talking about only the power of this petrol engine, as I told you, 144, and the power of the big the traction engine, the electric traction engine, that it's 199. They're not talking about the generator with the 150 horsepower. Combined, they say they have 224 horsepower and 340 newton meters. Of course, it's somehow stretched because 144 with 200 means 342 horsepower, but the petrol engine actually drives this car I think 30 or 40% of the time, because in city driving you drive definitely 100% on electric engine. Under the back seat, in the back, it's a NMC battery. It's 1.8 kilowatt hour NMC. It's a good battery. This car actually is capable of reaching 0-100 in 7.9 seconds, and it has a maximum speed of 190 kilometers an hour, which is of course good, because a lot of electric cars have only 160 kph, and in the highway you definitely could go easily 140, 160 with this car on the highway, which is quite important, because we are talking about a self-closed hybrid engine. This is not a plug-in, this is a normal hybrid engine. The fuel consumption, of course, we are going to talk about inside. It has a two timing chain, double overhead cams, and a big air mass filter. And the gearbox is down there. It's integrated with the engine, and this engine, SAIC says it has an efficiency of over 40%, so it's even more efficient than any other Toyota engines. In the trunk, it's 507 liters, and you put the bench down 1,484 liters, which is decent. This is not top of the line. The fuel luggage compartment compared with the 600 liters for a Dacia Bigster, but the Bigster is only 155 horsepower. This is in 2024, 224 horsepower, so this is a much faster, much powerful modern SUV. The fuel tank is 55 liters, and you definitely could go around 800 kilometers with this fuel tank easily. Okay, let's go inside and talk about the build quality. Okay, the LED lights, it's digital metric lights, so it's standard on this car. Let's talk about the luggage compartment. Of course, we are here, and we definitely should show it to you. It's electrical, it's decent, and this version actually has a very nice padding here. It's Stitch AMG, very nice. And after below this, we'll have another small compartment and a tire management system for if you have a big problem, plus and minus and minus, and somehow space here for other things. This is the build quality of this car. It's like the former generation of VW Tiguan, which is quite good, because the former Tiguan was very good. Let's see the build quality, the sound of the door. You close it. Of course, it's a VW sound. And let's go inside. Inside you'll see an quite interesting leather interior with 2 tones, which is quite good. The build quality, very soft materials here, So, and everything that it's and the door closes to make the life better inside. Okay, let's go inside and let's go start the car. You have a big LCD here, as you probably know from the previous generation of MG. We have started the engine. Let's say let's start the air conditioning. We put it 24 degrees. Okay, and the fuel consumption of this car in the last 160 kilometers, it's around 6.2 liter per 100. As you probably see, I drove 4 hours for 160 kilometers kilometers, and the average speed was 28 kilometers an hour, and the real fuel consumption is 6.2. Another thing, we have now a range of 543 kilometers, with somehow over half a tank. So you have 543 liters of average fuel consumption, autonomy with I think 30 liters. That's very good because the fuel consumption it's definitely easy. So as I probably show you how to change how to close all the buzzers, speed recognition off, collision warning off, getting off of the bend off. I don't know why they put that, but it's okay. And tire monitoring system off, and that's it. Let's say you have 4 or 5 clicks. You have an USB normal on the left, USB normal on the right. The gearbox is normal. The parking button is here. Hill descent control, handbrake, and hill hold, which is quite good. The texture of the seats it's very important, and of course you have some leather stitching, fake. I think it's a fake leather stitching, but it's okay. Good materials, soft materials, and very good materials. This is quite amazing for a car with this price. Okay, that's everything. It's off, and let me show you how it drives. Of course, we are driving the 2024 234 horsepower AMG Hybrid, AMG 8HS Hybrid. Okay, you're not here because I'm talking, so you have a problem here with the no, out. We don't need you. This car drives. This is now the electric engine. The turbo engine has started because you have low power on the battery. And you have three types of regenerative braking, which is quite good. I leave it on the first one because I hate the fast regen. This is not me, but no, that's me. A system that it's quite decent. So this car drives quite beautifully. It's composed, and in city driving it's even better because a lot of guys don't know how this car actually drives on normal roads compared with other cars. As you can see now, when you leave from the standstill, you definitely go electric on electric mode, which is wow, which is very good because definitely 90% of the time you will go 100% electric. So this system is quite better compared with other most known hybrid system, even compared with the Toyota RAV4. This system it's more composed. And a lot of you guys were going to say to me, okay, but you can't go with Toyota because Toyota is #1, and you don't have to talk about the #1. Why? Because the new generation of Toyota RAV4 full hybrid has only 184 horsepower, and this car has 224 horsepower, and the price tag of the Toyota RAV4 it's around definitely it's around 45,000 euros, and this car it's around 30,000 euros. So it's a big difference compared with the Toyota cars. But who are we to blame them? Definitely it's a best buy compared even with Toyota, because Toyota it's at an entry level. It has an entry level engine. The new 2.5, they managed to lower the maximum power is 35 horsepower, which is crazy. This car, the average fuel consumption 6.2, the empty weight 1,750 kilograms, so which is good. It's not bad, but it's not worse. It's a decent empty weight for a new big SUV, for a new big compact SUV. And remember, this is a Rover car. This is not an MG. This is a premium car that is sold on European market as a normal car. And that's all about this MGHS, a car that actually surprised everyone, because in this moment it's almost impossible to talk about the plug-in version, because the plug-in version it's somehow expensive, and I don't think it's a best buy, the plug-in version one now in 2025, when we have on sale this closed hybrid. This is a normal half car that it's quite quite normal from all point of view, even the fuel consumption. And of course, you don't have to charge it, because it's a closed hybrid. It's a HEV, it's not a plug-in. And that's the camera. Okay, let's see if I could put this car on some very fainted lines, but it's okay. I think it's okay. So this is the new MG HS, a car that actually has a very good fuel consumption, good price tag, made in China, so very good big quality. You definitely have only problems with the image, because a lot of you guys don't actually like to buy Chinese car, but this is the beginning for them. This is the second generation sold in Europe, and the first one, it was quite a big hit. And you definitely should have to watch the sales of MG cars on Spain and on Spanish and French markets, because MG actually sold more cars than Dacia. So Dacia, it's well known as a entry-level brand, but MG has a better price tag compared with the Dacia. And this car, it's almost the level of VW Tiguan, which is 45,000 euros or 50,000 euros with the hybrid system. That it has only 203 horsepower. This has 224. And that's a very big problem. So you don't forget that the Dacia Bigster, it's sold around 33,000 euros average with an extreme version 1.8 hybrid as normal aspirated engine and 154 or 155 horsepower. This car, it's sold around 30,000 euro on this market with 224 horsepower and 200 horsepower electric engine. Dacia and Renault hybrid system, 1.8 hybrid system, the new one, have only 67 horsepower. The electric engine that actually moves the car in the city, this has 200 horsepower. So the Chinese, it's much more powerful. So you could see that on city driving, and you could see that outside the city when you have some very fast timing, like 80 to 140 kilometers an hour. It's very, very fast. So this car, it's a best buy from my point of view. If you don't know it, go please review it, and don't keep in mind the fact that be an open-minded guy in 2025, because this car has a 7-year 150,000 kilometers warranty. So be like an American, buy the top of the line car with the most powerful engine, with the biggest warranty, not the brand, because this is an European brand, but it's made in China, but still it's a European brand. So that's a must from my point of view. Thank you.